everyone! Welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your language setting on Plex application using your smartphone or your tablets. To change the language on your Plex app is super easy. First of all, open the Plex application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Plex, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or your initial at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Account at the top. Under Account, tap on Language. Now, select one of the preferred language from the list. Choose the language from the menu and get back to the Plex homepage. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change the language setting immediately. You can always go back to the same menu and change to a different language of your preference. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.